Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to change password on Yahoo Mail. Let's start. First of all, click on Profile, then click on Account Info. Go to Security bar. Scroll down, then click on Change Password. Type a new password and continue. That's it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.